Keilhauer believes work should be comfortable for all. Known for sophistication, excellence, and attention to detail, every piece is beautifully crafted. And it all starts with our people. Meticulous, passionate, caring. Craftsmen who bring their talents to every step, making thoughtful decisions, carefully sourcing all our material, matching patterns with precision, incorporating new innovations, designing based on trends and behaviors, finding improvements for comfort and durability. Every piece is assembled from expert to expert, maintaining a great level of quality. Working together as partners to create award-winning pieces. At Keilhauer, we understand that luxury can only be achieved if the human hand is allowed to shape it.